A driving factor of the unsustainability of the Earth's resources is none other than the population inhabiting it, humans. A particular practice carried out by humans that has been scrutinized by scientists and has recently affected marine and terrestrial systems is hunting. Various hunting methods and practices majorly impact the state of Earth's resources. The article, Humans Are a Unique Super Predator, written by Jonathan Amos, a BBC Science correspondent, has revealed that humans exploit prey more than natural apex predators at a higher rate of 9.2. It also states that humans exploit fish populations 14 times more than natural marine predators, subsequently leading to the issue of overfishing. Humans have become a major factor to the disturbance of natural predator-prey dynamics and ecosystems. However, is this really the case? Across the years, various hunting methods and strategies such as trawl nets, hooks, and bullets were developed to increase efficiency in hunting. However, this has taken a toll on ecosystems. Scientists have been foreshadowing this for the past decade.
The unsustainable hunting practices of humans have led to the exploitation of resources, disturbance of food webs, and the interference of evolutionary processes. Hunters exploit mesocarnivores and large carnivores at a higher rate, 4.3 and 9.2 respectively, than the natural predator.
It has also been unveiled that humans have a particular tendency to target adult prey in a population, resulting in an estimated annual finite exploitation rate of 2,125. Due to this, the morphological and evolutionary processes of species are altered, consequently leading to decreasing population sizes. This ultimately leads to decreasing reproductive capacities of species population and ecological relationships within trophic levels. Overfishing is an unsustainable hunting practice that has consequently led to a range of socio-economic implications, such as the competing demands from fisheries, the marine environment, and consumers. Korchamp et al. Reinforces the growing necessity of hunting declining individuals of a population. The economic extinction hypothesis suggests that declining fish stocks equals declining economic benefit per unit cost of fishing. However, the opposite of this is evident through the rising appeal of depleting species as abundance declines. Ecologist Frank Korchamp delves into this matter.
Are threatened by extinction with a decline of 60% of the population. It is not economically extinct, however, as I sold one recently for $1.76 million US, it still has a high cultural and economic demand.
Thus, it is evident that a driving factor of aggressive exploitation is the influence of rarity on value, which greatly impacts the restoration of fisheries. The other hand of the spectrum is the conflicting perspective of hunting as a primary method for food security in developing countries such as Africa, and a crucial factor to conservation efforts in both North American and African ecosystems. Bushmeat is a major food and financial source for communities living in rural areas such as West and Central Africa. Due to the growing population of this area, the demand for bushmeat competes with prey density, consequently leading to a decrease in species regeneration and abundance in order to keep up with commercial trade. This negatively impacts the survival of wildlife species, ecosystem functioning, and food security. One eminent misconception is that it is not hunting that is the greatest threat to Earth's wildlife, it is habitat loss. Therefore, the ultimate goal of hunters is not to kill, but to protect species and their habitats. Knežević states that contemporary hunters are considered conservationists, as they often contribute to land conservation efforts, such as Campfire in Africa, and through various organizations in North America, such as Ducks Unlimited or the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation. These efforts have had positive results since inception in their respective countries, with replenishing wildlife populations, restoration of habitats, and new incentives to conservation. It is an extreme to label the humans as super predators, as defined by Jonathan Amos, despite the predator-like hunting methods and destructive outcomes stated in his article. Various other factors contribute to the declining populations of prey species, other than hunting, such as the competition of growing population densities and resources, and habitat loss. Previous misconceptions of hunters are also challenged as they are vital contributors to conservation efforts, executing greater impacts on species population than preconceived. Humans are more than capable to develop sustainable hunting methods and technologies to reduce their impact on marine and terrestrial ecosystems and prey populations. However, it is the global attitude and shared common goal between hunters, conservationists, and humanity that will achieve long-term sustainability of the Earth's resources.